If you're seeing Discord error code 50012, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This error often happens when Discord has trouble completing a connection or OAuth redirect, especially when you're trying to link an account like Spotify, YouTube, Steam, or another third-party service. The good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling everything. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing to try is the web browser method. In many cases, the Discord desktop app is the part that's causing the issue, so we want to bypass it completely. Start by closing the Discord desktop app fully. Make sure it is not just minimized but completely shut down. Then open your preferred web browser and go to Discord. Log into your account from the browser version. Once you're signed in, go to User Settings, then select Connections. From there, try linking your account again, whether that's Spotify, YouTube, Steam, or any other service you were trying to connect. In a lot of cases, the browser version handles the OAuth process more smoothly, and that alone can fix error code 50012. If the browser method still doesn't work, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, browsers store a lot of temporary data, and sometimes that data can interfere with the login or connection process. Go into your browser settings and clear the cache and cookies for Discord, or for your browser overall if needed. If you don't want to delete everything, you can also try using an incognito or private window. That gives you a clean session with no stored cookies or cached conflicts. After opening a private window, log into Discord again and repeat the connection step. This often fixes issues caused by old session data or broken browser permissions. Now, if you're still getting the same error, the next fix is to log out everywhere. Sometimes your active session can become corrupted, especially if you've logged into Discord on multiple devices or browsers. In Discord, go to User Settings and look for the Logout option on your current device. If possible, log out of all sessions. Then close the app completely, reopen it, and sign back in with your account. Once you've logged in again, try connecting the service one more time. A fresh session can clear out the temporary authentication problem that triggers error code 50012. At this point, one of these methods usually solves the issue. To recap, first try the browser method instead of the desktop app. If that fails, clear your browser cache and cookies or use an incognito window. And if you still have trouble, log out everywhere and start a fresh session. These steps are simple, but they solve a lot of Discord connection problems. If this video helped you fix Discord error code 50012, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want help with any other Discord error or app issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.